Hi and welcome to NBShirts and a tutorial on how to create and design your custom made shirt. So today we're going to concentrate and go through the process, and we're going to start with women's wear. So if you'd like to scroll down, we've got the button there on the right hand side for women. So first things first, we need to choose the fabric that we'd like our shirt to be made in. And as you can see on the left, we've got all the options, and on the right, you've got the 3D model. So if you scroll through, select a fabric that you like the look of. It will populate on the right hand side on the 3D model, as well as above in the box, which will give you a much more close-up view of it. And along the top of the close-up view, it will explain exactly what fabric it is, whether it's a poplin, a pinpoint, but they are all 100% Egyptian cotton, so they wash up very well. So after you scroll through the fabrics, don't forget we've got our specials tab at the top there as well, which I put limited edition or fashionable fabrics in. We then go through the sleeve options. So you've got a long sleeve or a short sleeve option, depending on the season and depending on what you're most comfortable wearing. Okay, so I'm going to go here for a long sleeve option on my blue shirt, blue pinstripe shirt. Then we will choose our collars. So again, scroll through the options below. You can see that we've got half cutaway, full cutaway, Kent collars, and some specials there as well. And above the close-up, you can see just there, you can see the back height and the collar point as well. This is handy if you'd like to actually measure it or compare it against one that you may already have in your wardrobe, so you can see exactly how it will correspond onto the finished article. So I've chosen a half cutaway just there. And then we're going to go to the cuff details. So we've got cufflink cuffs, we've got straight cuffs, mitered ones, and you can see here we've got several options if you can scroll through. I've chosen a 2-button mitered in this case. And then we're going to go to the front pleat option. So whether we'd like a covered placket, single or double. Again, it'll all populate not only in the close-up above, but on the right-hand 3D model again. So if we go to the top, we've done on the actual design aspect, we're now going to go to the detail. So we're going to go to the detail badge, and we're starting with buttons. So again, we've got several different colour options, and you can see the close-up there as well. So we've got blue, orange, red, greens, every colour you can think of. Again, scroll through them at the bottom using the arrows. And at the back there, we've got the mother of pearl options as well. All is included in the price. So here I've gone for light blue. I'm now going to look at my button thread. This is the thread that's actually used to sew the button onto the shirt. So it's in the middle of the button. So here I'm going to go for the light blue, and you can see it shown just on the close-up above. Then I'm going to go to the buttonhole thread. Now this is obviously the hole that the button goes through, what thread you'd like it on. Again, shown on the close-up. I'm going to go for light blue, but you could have a different colour, a completely different colour. You could go for red if you'd really like. And then we're going to choose the monogram. Again, you've got the close-up above. I'm going to type in my initials, maximum 3 characters. I'm going to look at light blue colour as well. Or you can go for a contrasting colour, and you've also got the different typefaces as well. So you've got the 3 options just there. So you've not only just got the cuff options of where to have your monogram, you've actually got a few other options, including the chest and on the collar, which you'll see in just a second. Again, you've got the close-up above, which is great just for showing you the examples. So as you can see, we've got quite a few options on where you can actually put the monogram, totally personal preference. Once you've done that, we're going to go to the contrasts. So you can have alternating fabrics in different areas on your shirt. So you can have it inside collar, or you can have the whole collar in a different contrasting fabric. It's totally up to you, or you don't have to have any contrast at all on the collar, cuff or front placket. So here we've chosen, as you can see, it's highlighted and currently in black. I've chosen an inside collar, inside cuff, an inside front placket as an alternate contrast. I'm now going to go through and scroll through the different fabrics and choose the fabric that I'd like it to be in. I'm actually going to choose white. I've got several white fabric options here, but I'm going to choose the white in the same fabric as what I had before. Don't forget, you can always look at the special fabric, so you can go really contrasting if you choose, but I'm going to go for the white poplin, which is the same fabric as what my actual body of the shirt is made of. Then I'm going to go to the size option. So again, I'm going to choose my dress size, which is a size 12, and they're going to look at the different options I've got here to plus and minus, hips, waist, chest, the length, and the different options you've got there. If you wear a chunky watch on your left, you've also got that option. You've then got the option to purchase your shirt, save it, or share it. So if you save it, you can then go onto my collections and look at it, and I'm going to show you the finished article and hope that you've enjoyed making it as much as I've enjoyed talking you through it. Any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us direct at hello@nbshirts.co.uk. I look forward to hearing from you all soon. Thanks.